ये स्लाइसर बनेगा ना इसका, करेक्ट। इज नॉट ग्रुपिंग इट बाय दिस। तो अगर मैं ये कह रहा हूं टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट सोल्ड, तो तुम्हारे हिसाब से ये कैसे बनेगा? ब्रांड हो गया, आइटम, लोकेशन, लोकेशन थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा। तो मैंने स्लाइसर लिया, एक ये स्लाइसर बना, उसमें डेट आई, राइट। ये डेट का स्लाइसर बना, पर इसमें टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट सोल्ड में, इसमें हाउ इज,
Good morning, sir.
guys, कल रोहित did very well in the test, Australian test.
Which text,
Sir,
sir?
सर इसको क्या पावर बीआई में बनाना है क्या सर?
हाँ, इसको पूरा का पूरा वो करना है।
पावर बीआई में।
तो अब ये बताओ कि ये होगा कि इसका स्लाइसर पे बैंड कैसे होगा? एक मिनट, तो हाउ विल changes be shown by brand? इसमें ब्रांड के तो टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट सोल्ड है ना, तो ये मैंने स्लाइसर लिया। अब मैं अगर यहां पे ये लेता हूं, इफ आई टेक दिस टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट्स वैल्यू, यही तो है ना, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज, राइट।
Yes, sir.
And my sales prime, which is there, let me just check because I made a separate thing called sales prime, right? So this is fine. So this is sales account it is taking, right? So if I pick up the sales prime, so if I pick up from here, and I pick up company name, item name, rank, total value, right? Now, my top 5 product value, this has to be linked by the date, because this date is going to be linked to the date dimension.
Yes. सर डेट डायमेंशन में भी तो है सर.
Right?
Yes sir.
So I go down to the relationship view. I manage relationships and I say, so this is linked with this, correct? Now the case is going to be कि when I pick up by location, so location they'll have to tell me what does the location mean. So is this correct? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
And totals you don't show. So with time ऐसे हो जाएगा. Correct? Is this correct? Yes or no? So this gives me top 5 sales value by date range. So now item, I don't know how will it be shown by brand. Location I can add. So say I pick up this by this, right? ये है. Example this by this could be slicer like this. So he's not necessarily grouping by it. He's doing a filter. He's using a slicer. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
मतलब we'll have to make a separate table for each one of them. So location you'll have to tell us and brand you'll have to tell us, right? मैं ऐसा करूंगा, I'll ask the client for a part order because जो भी tally वाला है वो उसको मैं आपको दे दूंगा, तो आपको इस तरीके से मिलेगा. So now the client
Okay,
will
sir.
give. So इनसे ये पूछना पड़ेगा कि client does he need the table or the graph also. So the table we will need to give, or the graph also. If graph, then please specify the graph. Is it correct? Yes or no? ऐसे होगा ना. Now if I pick up the second one here, now top 30 consumed products by revenue. ये किससे आएगा बताओ?
Product or sales, sir.
तो ये इधर से आएगा, इन्वेंट्री से. नहीं, इस so what the client is saying is that this product value, so in the sales prime which he has it here, I also need to add the customer name, party ledger name. So here when I pick it up, I have to put as a go down. ये हो जाएगा ना. So when I pick up this aggregate, because I have to, what I did was I picked up this aggregate. Right? I selected the required values and then I picked up the top ones. बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है.
सर एक बार फिर से खोलिए ना, डेक्स क्या था उसमें एक बार देखना है सर.
एक सेकंड, वही मैं चेक कर रहा हूं, बिकॉज़ इसमें अभी कोटेशन जाने से दिस हैज टू गो फॉर अ कोटेशन, सो वेदर दिस विल फिट आउट. सो आई से टॉप 30 products consumed by revenue. So there's a store. So store would be separate. So this would in turn become 30. Right? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Document date I need to bring. Cost center I need to bring. Is this clear? Because उसको ये नहीं पता लगेगा ना कि कहाँ कौन सी उसकी लोकेशंस है. So this will be top 30 products. Is this clear? So he's not asking for a filter by this. He's not asking for a group by at this level. He's saying, I want this as a slicer. Go down name. And here, he would like to have another slicer by go down name. Is that what he's saying? तो रैंक सेल वैल्यू की क्या मतलब हुआ? ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? हाँ बच्चों,
Awesome.
अब क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि ये वाला जो है, ये वाला ग्राफ कैसे बनेगा? हाउ विल दिस ग्राफ बी मेड? टॉप 5 स्टोर्स. Stores, I'm assuming it is going to be party ledger name, right? Or go down name. नहीं, इसमें और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? So top 5 product consumed is fine. So top 5 product consumed is fine. Products जो है top 5 का ही हो जाएगा ना. Is it correct? Yes or no? So pick up top 5 product by value. So this is it. So top 5 products consumed or value में क्या difference है? इसमें और इसमें क्या difference है?
भाई रिवेन्यू का डिफरेंस है
ये
सर।
मुझे भी पूरा क्लियर नहीं हो पा रहा है। सोल्ड और कंज्यूम में क्या डिफरेंस है?
ये केवल सोल्ड है सर।
अब
ये
टॉप 5 रिसीवेबल अगर
मनी वाइज,
निकालना है, हाँ
ये मनी वाइज कंज्यूम्ड वाले में मनी वाइज सबसे ज्यादा जो टॉप 30 है सर वो है।
ये तो लल्लू वाला है। अगर इसमें डेट रेंज आएगी कि नहीं आएगी? अगर डेट रेंज नहीं आ रही है, आज की तारीख में कितने रिसीवेबल है, बस वो आ गया। इसका ब्रांड क्या है? ये तो टॉप 5 रिसीवेबल्स। तो इसमें फिल्टर कंडीशन क्यों चाहिए? हिस्टोरिकल रिसीवेबल raw material that is purchased. ऐसा तो वो परचेज से होगा। Go down. ये तुम्हें समझ में आया? So what I will do is I will try and convince the client. I'll just take a budget from him and put one of you onto this project. So there are two projects. So Rohit might get into an Australian company, right? So I'm trying to place Rohit into an Australian company. So one of you will get the Israeli project and one of you could get this project. Is it clear? Yes or no? बेटा clear है कि नहीं है?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
इसमें सारा ना my whole problem is that ये इसका सिस्टम अभी तो उठा नहीं पा रहा है पूरा डेटा. ये एग्रीगेट कैसे उठाएगा? Because this data is humongous.
Sir, top end 30.
दे रहा हूँ बेटा एक मिनट. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ये आ जाएगा ना. मैं थोड़ा तगड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है. पर ये जो गोडाउन होगा, दिस विल हैव टू बी कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट कॉस्ट सेंटर ना. Why is this coming out to be coming here? Then here I'm grouping by this. No? So I can't do it like this. अपना वही करना पड़ेगा बच्चों. स्लाइस से लगाना पड़ेगा. ग्रुप बाय नहीं कर सकते ना, because otherwise this problem will come. Jai Siya Ram. Jai Siya Ram. So what the mistake I made is I've taken this thing. Now what I need to do is go back to this and pick up my minimum and the maximum date. Are you understanding it? Now when I come down to purchase, because otherwise that same item will come multiple times because it's always grouping it by the date. So if I pick this up, alt enter where B1 is equal to filter B, where document is it correct? It's greater than equal to min underscore date and document underscore date is less than equal to max underscore date. Now do you understand why I have put the slicer and why I have put the variables? So that I don't have to group by this. Is this clear? Now when I do a B1 group, now I'll get the right answer. Now see how it works. Now do you understand it works perfectly well? Is this clear? Yes or no? आया समझ में कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
Because now I'm not grouping by this. पर ये 6 कैसे आया? Again, let's go down to this. थोड़ा सा tricky हो रहा है यार. नहीं, मिनिमम डेट और मैक्सिमम डेट में तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. I don't want to do a group by date. So I say filter purchase prime Does this make sense? And I remove document date from this group by, because that is going to take away my complete freedom. Yes or no? Now it should work. Is this clear? Rohit, is it clear? Because I can't do a group by date, because otherwise it will screw my rankings. Now it's coming out perfectly, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now again I have a problem, but it is grouping it by go down. So again I don't want to group it by go down. Is it correct? Yes or no? Because go down is again screwing it up, right? So